So here we are at 928 O Street. You have sort of a combination of the square bay front, which you see in the Federal and Victorian properties throughout the city, with the industrial windows and enormous stature.
All right.
Okay, so entryway.
The grand staircase, but also here's the elevator, but we're
Much
not doing
needed.
that.
Yep,
Yes,
we're gonna take the
right
stairs up we go.
Okay.
I like these floating stairs.
These really are great, and it really, as soon as you walk in, it really is the focal point.
And this industrial feel with these rails.
It's very artistic.
It is. And we have this whole wall of closets the entire way down this hallway to
Bedroom.
bedroom number
Okay.
one.
Lots of great natural light.
Yes, and this is something that we haven't seen. Power shades.
Oh, nice. Oh. Great view, great natural light,
And I love the black panes.
and a full bath. That's nice.
Nice bathroom,
Okay.
marble vanity, and I love that wood.
Okay, let's make our way down.
Okay. On to bedroom number two.
Yes, okay, so we have another nice full bath.
Very nice.
Yeah. And
Beautiful shower.
again, the natural light, and what a great view.
This
you
is
go.
basically all windows on these two sides.
It is. I would want to get up in the morning and leave this room.
Actually, you would. There's so much sun. You'd be up and out. You'd be like, ding, good morning, good morning. But,
Makes it
hey,
easy.
we love lights, right?
We do. And now up to the next floor.
Wow.
Okay.
Look at this. This is beautiful. It's the big wow room.
Yes,
right?
it is. It is. Fridge. I love the way it's hidden.
Thermador range. And I adore this countertop.
I
It's
am
sliver.
loving these
It's
the
so
thinner
clean.
countertops. And look at the light in the windows up top.
Well, it's a grand space.
It is, it
All
is.
these windows, the skylight.
And I love the architectural design of
Yeah,
this. And I know you love chopping and prepping, so this is a perfect space for you.
it is. But what do these things do? It's a button. Maybe it's
I
for
know,
like
I'm not touching.
blinds. Go ahead, touch it. You do it. I don't want to
It's
do
probably
it.
for the blinds.
Nope. It's a button.
So,
Just
I mean,
put that back
this
down.
whole space is wonderful. You know, you have this great living area, you have the fireplace, a gas fireplace.
Gas fireplace with crystals in it.
And then you've got a great dining room area. But what I
Beautiful.
like is that it's small enough that it's just cozy.
It is.
Yeah.
And I love all these windows and the French door to that little balcony.
I know
Really
you
is.
hate to leave this room, but there's more to see.
I can't wait to see more.
Okay.
Little half
I just,
bath.
Yeah, but look at this sink. Isn't this neat?
Oh, that's such a great sink.
It's the details, remember?
It is.
All the
Details,
great
details.
details.
Little
Great
in-between
little sitting
area.
space. So this must be the owner's suite. Oh.
This indeed is the owner's
This.
suite.
I don't think we've seen something quite like this.
No, this is more of a free-form luxury bath.
I know your eye probably went right to the fixtures because I know this is the kind of thing that you really like.
Actually, it went to this wall of marble. It looks like just a few slabs. Yeah, this walk-in shower. Yeah, curtain needed.
But I do hope that there is a button for the shades in here.
I think so. Into the owner's bedroom.
The architectural details, you can just see it throughout this home. I mean, he's carried the light into all these spaces.
It's just beautiful. And I love the view. It's very urban. It looks like an Edward Hopper painting.
And I know we have one more level.
And we know what that is.
Yes, I've been waiting
Rooftop.
for this. All right. See, this is
Yeah.
so
Oh
fabulous.
my gosh, you can see 360 views from this
It is, it
private
is.
rooftop. It's
What a
private
great
to note.
entertainment space.
Yeah. And you have this outdoor dining.
And you've got two seating
Sure
areas.
do. I could stay up here all day.
I know, there's a nice breeze coming through now, but I suppose Judy probably would like to.
Yeah, I think she
Yeah.
probably would.
Okay, let's go.
Ginny!
All right,
Hey, Judy.
welcome back. Okay.
So,
What'd you think?
one word, phenomenal.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
an incredible house.
We haven't actually been in a home that has had an elevator
No.
so far.
This is the
So, you know, when thinking of the price,
Yeah.
it kind of.
I don't know how to price that, actually.
Okay, do you have any questions?
Is there parking?
Yes, there is. One secured space with a garage.
What are the condo fees?
385, which is, for this square footage, is kind of almost
is
ridiculous.
unbelievable.
That's basically what I paid Judy.
My condo is the size of
Something's
this
not right
room,
here.
and
Yeah.
I pay more.
Yeah. Anything else we should know?
Well, I mean, you've got the basics. It's 2870 square feet. It's 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 4-level elevator.
Yep.
Amazing roof deck. But, you know, the one thing here that is really hard to price is the quality.
We can see it in every facet.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I'm ready to make my guess. So I could go on for days about this place. The staircase is so fantastic. The rooftop, the kitchen, the counters.
Yes.
The number I am choosing today is 2.625.
All right.
You always throw in those odd numbers.
I do.
Okay, I knew you would love to do that. I'm gonna make it simple, but I also think you are a little high.
Okay.
I'm going to come in at a guess of 2.4 million.
All right. Well, one of us is a little high.
Oh my gosh, that's you. That means I am the winner.
I heard it the first time. So what's the actual price?
2.495.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
That was good.